super nice in here. I feel bad for Sylvie. I guess I'll go take her something to drink. Well, Sylvie has gluwein. I have overpriced coffee and amaretto. And we're sitting outside Vienna's famous Christmas market.
Yeah.
It's almost as good as being inside. I was fortunate enough to be able to go in and buy these drinks and some currywurst, which was also really good. Overpriced, but good. And one of the only options for food in the city right now, because pretty much everything in the city is closed. Bars, restaurants, stores. And it has a really strange feel. The restrictions have been really tough here recently. And for example, Sylvie was not able to enter the Christmas market because she's only received her first vaccine, but she also presented a negative PCR test from yesterday, but that wasn't enough. You have to be fully vaccinated to enter bars, restaurants, or apparently outdoor Christmas markets here in Vienna. So not the best holiday season to visit. It is beautiful. I love the architecture here. It's a beautiful sunny day, and would have been a great day to stroll through the Christmas markets and sample all the different offerings, but not this time around.
Next year we have at least reason to come back.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, the leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, the leaves are so unchanging. Not only green and summer but also when it's cold and dreary. Oh Christmas tree,
Yeah, it's a video.
oh Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me.
Poor Sylvia. Can't enter, can only record. You go right here, I can take your photo and it'll look like you went there.
Yeah, right?
It's super windy. Probably can't even hear us, but we're on our way back to the train station and we came across another market with no control. So Sylvie is super lucky. How fortunate do you feel? Do you feel like a princess?
Oh yeah, always.
Yeah. Always with me. Always with me.
How
Yeah.
about that?
Hey look, George Washington. Pretty sure he founded Vienna back in 1753. Supermarket pastry, spinach pastry, is awesome. I bet you're jealous, huh?
Not really, I have my Arizona, I'm pretty happy with that.
What are your overall thoughts? Vienna.
Yeah, it's nice here, but nothing special.
Nothing special. Hard to please this one.
Yeah.
I think it's nice, a little bit cookie cutter.
I
Definitely
miss-
worth a visit.
Yeah, but I miss the Christmas atmosphere here. Doesn't feel like Christmas is coming at all, but it's mainly because of the weather. So.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like Christmas is coming at all. There's like,
There's some Christmas trees here, but instead of that,
I think a lot of that has to do with the restrictions right now, but I'm
Yeah,
sure it's normally
yeah.
a winter wonderland.
the atmosphere is strange, but what can we do about it?
remember these from Berlin as well.
Yeah.
It's like a neighborhood book exchange.
Yeah, like a neighborhood library.
Neighborhood library, well said.